Welcome back to Growing FPV, and I gotta say, this is quite incredible. I gotta apologize. My Rhodes, my microphones are dead. Batteries are dead. Made a mistake, forgot to charge them up, and well, you know the story from there. Anyhow, pretty much what I am coming here to do is I wanted to show you that this is like a winter wonderland right now. And normally it's really boring. It's just trees, you know, nothing really spectacular or anything like that. But I'm gonna put my drone up and I'm gonna fly it through here and over these treetops. And because of the sticky snow that's stuck to everything, it's just gonna make an absolutely beautiful video. And my point is that even though a place might be boring at one point, at another point in time, it might not. So get out there and fly in places where you normally wouldn't think to fly because it's just, you know, too crowded. Like in here, you really can't go too far because you have a lot of trees, but you know what? I think it'll make for a good video.